Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of safely extracting the hard drive from your Dell Inspiron laptop. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap if you have one. Begin by powering down your laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. It's also wise to remove any connected peripherals. After that, flip your Dell Inspiron over to access the bottom panel. Locate the screws holding the bottom cover in place. For most Dell Inspiron models, you will need to remove several Phillips screws. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your laptop. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel. Start at one edge and carefully work your way around to avoid breaking any clips. If you find it difficult, double-check for any missed screws. After removing the bottom cover, locate the hard drive. It is usually housed in a metal bay, secured by additional screws. Remove the screws holding the hard drive in place. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Next, gently pull the hard drive out of its bay. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may be a connector attached. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws or clips. After successfully removing the hard drive, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Dust can accumulate and affect performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the fan and vents. Be sure to hold the can upright to avoid moisture buildup. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a hassle-free way to get your laptop serviced without any travel or phone calls involved. Once you've cleaned the interior, you can replace the hard drive if you are installing a new one. Slide the new hard drive into the bay and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, replace the bottom cover of your laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws to ensure it's securely fastened. Before powering up your laptop, ensure everything is in its place. If you need a quote before repair or any assistance, feel free to contact us. Now, you can plug in your laptop and power it up. Congratulations! You have successfully extracted the hard drive from your Dell Inspiron. Remember to follow proper disposal methods for your old hard drive or recycle it if possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.